14, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Henson Garland, and her mother-in-law trusts the timing of your life, and she wants to become a teacher someday. He is with, she is with her escort, Hans Garland, son of Mr. and Mrs. Henson Garland. Our second knight, Reina de Los Angeles, Kendra Monique Padua, 6 years old, born on December 5, 2017, daughter of Miss Marjorie Padua. Her motto, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Her ambition is to become an engineer someday. Together with her escort, Gurjit Kumar, son of Apple Gonzalez. Our third knight, Reina de los Patriarcas, Jessie Isabel Caasi. She is now 7 years old and her birthday is on March 6, 2017. Her parents' name is Jesseline Caasi and Felipe Caasi II. Her motto is vision without action is a daydream. And her ambition is to become a flight attendant someday. Together with her escort, John Joshua Bactol. Our fourth Reina de los Profetas, Aliana Wandasan. She is now 14 years old and she is born May 3, 2010. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Aladdin Wandasan, at ang kanyang motto ay ang buhay ay hindi karera. And she wants to become a flight attendant someday. Her escort's name is Juniper Pascasio, son of Mr. and Mrs. Anthony Pascasio.
Reina de los Apóstoles, Jasmine K. Elemento. She is now 14 years old. Birthday October 24, 2009. She is the daughter of Mr. Leonardo Elemento and Miss Prometia Jumagbas. At ang kanyang motto ay kung wala na akong lugar dyan sa puso, pwede bang kahit sa atay na lang. She wants to become a teacher someday. Her escort is Bill John Frias, son of Mr. and Mrs. Laarni E. Milano.
Our sixth knight, Reina, is the Reina de los Martinez. Her name is Leia May Ednave, age of 17 years old, born on 16 years old, born on July 24, 2007.